Wait till I come today and I say we get a heavy heart. Yes, we will not come today now. Each way we come like the other time we come, we talk about victories and this. And a couple of days where we don't announce the ADF atrocity for Batibo and Kruger in particular, where the population be don't rise. Not only a couple of days, months, the population don't say they don't want ADF anymore for Batibo. But these ADF people, they keep on one day and another day they commit atrocity. One day, another day they commit atrocities. Now, the ADF don't go to the extent. When I don't see the video, to an extent of burning the source where these people be together light. Reliable information because the ADF, since where the people say okay, they don't want una see una be listing the fun of Kruger, una be listing the fun of Kruger where it be the blessed fighter they say because some people they I be finish my show where I be talk about the fun of Igwe. Some person now forward me Capo Daniel where it interpret the fun of Igwe, it bless in way it be the bless those Amber our fighters. Then that very interpretation where they take Bandam he audio where it coach Mangwa. They interpret it wrongly. See, I want the fellow ambassador say we the Batibo people will be people for peace. Batibo man na man for peace. We not there for war with ADF. But we don't talk say we don't want ADF for Batibo. Me they go peacefully. See, when I see how that phone be the bless the fighters. And what way Capo Daniel talk sometimes if people there they follow he. People they follow Capo Daniel. If you went to it tell una follow them. He don't talk na lie because he keep on lying. He say the phone talk say if he use gun, he go shoot another. Say the bless way he bless them. No na say me they use gun kill another Amber fighter. Me the key now automatically. Oh man, no fun. No if he talk say no fun for this planet Earth. Go ever advise a fighter say me use a weapon against the other fighter. No fun no ever do so. But this one. Where the phone bless our boys them. The phone one bless our boys. If it start to refer our boys them for our history. It start to refer our boys them for history. For our history, our we forefather them. They be taken from Nigeria. You know, listen very well. It start to refer to the history, to the past history. How our forefather don't betray we. But now where we don't decide. We this youth. The never again generation don't decide here. One fight for our freedom, one fight for our independence, one fight for our future. So it bless them, say when I take them like that. Any man where it go for war front, he must succeed. La Republic not see them. Now so it be bless them. Okay. Capo Daniel can interpret it on say, it talk say, no use your gun, you kill another fighter. What will happen now? Them, the Capo Daniel, they instruct the ADF. Me they go burn the solar panel. Where now one person. See fellow Ambazonians, we not best understand say they la Republic will want come out with them. We not just now think for one day. In a thing where we just plan as on day so we don't decide. Now thing where we don't be like slave for them for past decades. Our forefathers don't be slave. And we too can be slave for under the Republic. This panels, this solar panel, not be la Republic a project for Kruger. Now individual person volunteer. You know that way they diaspora, say people they suffer. They don't get light for that village. You carry that project. You execute that project. Now where ADF, because of greed, where the population don't want them again, ADF decides for go burn the solar system where it be generate light for these people of Kruger. When I see that footages, I see that image, I see the video, I'll be overvexed plenty. I'll vex so it's a way, and in short, because my tell you something. When some man can lie for social media, say county by county, LGA by LGA, na a tribalistic approach. Siam, not be tribalistic approach. We there for war. This thing where Ayabacho Lucas make the do of a Kruger village. See, irrespective of the facts of the fight for revolution, Ayabacho Imami or Ipapa, they don't be matriti, they don't be green. Me the matriti, they how they matriti these people for Kruger. They have ADF, they matriti these people for Kruger. Now what I will see, when I ask una question say, when I ask question say, why Ayabacho never create a ADF camp for play where he come out? Why Ayabacho never create ADF camp for play where he come out? Because he know say, he no want hurt his people. Ayabacho know say, he no want hurt his people. When I ask say, why he not create even a single camp of even five ADF boys them? For your own play where he come out, I mean for your own village where he come out, or even not for your own village, for your own quarter, even not for your own quarter, for your own house, we even create ADF for your own house. Now because of it, you know how hurt his own people, and the worst of it, I say, will get foolish, batty-boy people the way. They think say because say you hate some person, they will kill the whole of Batibo. Because say you not die with the ideology for A, then you will join B. They kill the whole of Batibo, you'll be very happy. When I see, I tell the fellows ambassador the way they follow this Ayabacho theory. Yes, because it don't be na condom republic. Yeah, because we see what we see with that camp. Na a condom republic. See, I want to tell you now where una the thing say Ayabacho theory na the best for cross the whole of Batibor because of na selfish intention. Una think I'm fine. Sleep reflect how Batibor be there before this war war start. Think when Batibor be there before the war war start, and I need to do something about Batibo. The neighbors they surround Batibo. Not say anything when it happen with Batibo now. If you fire the catch in my house. If you neighbor don't have support me for larger fire, no say the fire if it extend to their own house. The fire if it extend to their own house. Ma tell you now. Batibo, Bengui, in short, Momo County. And Manu County and Meza County. Manu County and Meza County will not be safe. Will not be safe for this virus. This ADF. Where ADF also go as far as burning people that project. What way they give life for people. That means if you go extra mile for sing the whole village. That means ADF dinner for sing the whole Kruger village down. Because if you start, see, we now be very careful. ADF now, they be ready for seeing the whole of Kruger down, because if you go to that extent of burning solar panel where it give light to the people, and when that light, not be la Republic give that light. Now individual spend the money, it give the light for help the population for Kruger. But ADF go as far as that range for burn down that solar panel. Okay. More assume say ADF they don't burn this solar system. The Ayabacho and Igang, una don't succeed. Okay, una don't go now, una don't burn the solar this thing. Una don't take the Republic. Una don't take the Republic, no. That means ADF theory and their principles. the day out now for destroy our revolution. ADF the day out now for make our population them me they suffer so that they feel resign for say no, this war don't pass we move leave am. See, when I know say the Republic get a theory. Where that theory where they burn houses, they kill innocent civilians, I say you can't be upon a time where the civilians they will talk say no, they don't suffer enough. They don't continue to suffer again. Better send me the war end. ADF, they help La Republique for that principles. ADF, they help La Republique for that theory. Now so ADF, he don't come because I don't expect say Efang, where he call his say be general. He come up with Batibo. He go agree me the rape his sister them. And he to join with rape his sister them. He go agree me the arrest he found them. He to join with arrest he found them. He go agree me the arrest his fellow fighters them for Batibo boys them. The killer, he to join for kill and bury him. When I tell me say this guy, he brain be normal. Because I don't think say even me where I talk for here because I don't think say when they do that thing for F and Ireme, when they do that thing for F and Irepe, he go be happy. Now why that way I see talk say if Ayabacho no say be man, me create a group, ADF group for your own village. For your own village so that when they harass your own population, it will feel the impact. See, the way ADF you operate, the way Ayabacho you operate, it is how La Republique come ambassador, ka kiwi, they don't get pity. It is how La Republique it come for it come ka kiwi ambassador, they don't get pity. But if we send military, they start kill their own family. They start kill their own family. They will get pity. All man get pity for a family. Eh? All man get pity for a family. Ayabacho, nobody said ADF come for a village. But he can put them on the side where when he hears say don't kill 10 civilians of Batibo, you know how will not because you don't know the people there. But you foolishly support it where you know the boys they kill them. You know now picking the way they grow with you. Now friends the way they grow with you. You hear say fellow fighters, they don't go kill their brother and you know say the person where he die, now your fellow colleague. It is hot pass all thing. Because sometimes the way you just see images for Facebook, you need the hot because that way will be that way South Sudan will fight their own war. Will you see can't images it need be the hot way. But now we see images where our own images them. In the hot we pass. So now the same thing that way Ayabacho no care. He no care. They go as far for collect money now. They there for that project they could have wait. Man are tough. Man tell you something. They don't start for they will say that block by block. We don't say block by block don't go end. Now that strategy that block by block. We don't say block by block end. They come now, they could say contender force. What I been a container or been a contender because what I been a container where the container see they will ship. It come you never reach because I don't know sure say been a contender force. I believe say been a container force because sometimes the container see they will ship, never land, you never reach. You don't fail. We never hear them. You know, he fail. We hear the pink project. The pink project. We never see here no nothing from the car reach now so. We don't come again. They are principles. It change that every year they will bring a principle. Every year they will bring a principle. They say now we will delay the struggle. We now principle they will bring all the principle them. We now then have top now come over block by block. We now take money, container force money, pin project. We now tell we say we now don't raise almost $930,000, almost $1 million. Okay, we never see nothing. No man will audit you now. No man will ask question because if you ask question, they delete you from the group because plenty people they don't come out ADF. They say we want ask question, we want ask personal question. They will start go to auditing. They move from the group. Okay, now we are the one collecting money now for 45 F and kill all Batibo people because I don't see I say this money where we are the one collector. This money una dey for Tapa Ivo and Capo Daniel and Lucas, they dey on Facebook every day. And the fake profile they don't create away. Some people they don't give $10,000 when I just to motivate people. When I lie, well another one. When I fake people, when I make people they call. So when they call, say they call for Grand Zero. When I lie, well don't catch all that techniques them. We don't be wise all that shema them. We don't want to take the money now for 45 F and me F and kill the whole of Batibo people. But I want to tell the Batibo people they watch me now. Now time this. For we will tell this small group of people say Batibo big. Batibo big. Batibo no be as a small. Batibo no be one village. No be as a small one village. Krugwe na just one village inside Batibo. Krugwe be Batibo. So I want to tell all my brothers and sisters they watch me say the sons and daughters of Batibo and the others counties them. Una supposed to be alert. Una supposed to be alert now for this virus. Because this ADF they want to tell we say they pass coronavirus. Yes, because I never see it goes as far as for that destroy the village project. So destroy the village project. You Ambazuna Pekin, you turn for destroy what you Ambazuna citizens they benefit. You turn for destroy what you Ambazuna citizens they benefit. What that solar panel? What the solar panel get for do in a fighting between fighters? You not get power for go face a friend fight. Your own power now for destroy village project. You not get power for confront your own fellow colleague. Your own now for attack village project. Then we don't see how Capo Daniel they will Facebook defying fighters on Facebook. Now don't see that messages. Capo Daniel they will Facebook in define fighter. And look at when I say Sino Rambo for Oku na ADF. They be make all una big class na ADF. We not deny. But no get in number. The general no get a number. If you find it on Facebook. If you find it on Facebook. So all the small tactics them. We don't be wise. We don't be finish. We don't be wise. Ambassador don't be wise. We don't wise plenty. When the revolution be start, we don't be no people. That the revolution be start, we don't be no people. But for now as I will talk. Now as I will talk, we know people. We know people now. Ambassador don't be wise finish. We dirty. See what brain now the pump the clock. Immediately I see any write up on Facebook, I don't read. First thing I say, I don't read my brain is go plenty direction. Immediately I see any write up on Facebook. As I judge. Because we don't get propaganda plenty. We don't make we wise plenty. So we are not fool the people anymore. But man, they say you can fool some people all the time, but you can't fool all the people all the time. So we don't be wise una shemak. Una leave the agenda. Una leave una agenda. We don't be wise una. The ADF people we don't be wise una. So fellow ambassador, now what that way I bring her today for talk about this ADF. They are this for Batibo. We get the Batibo people and Manu people and the Mezan people. They get form very strong alliance. Because when the virus starts, when they make Batibo, let's say Batibo be very weak for some time. Weak. You don't rise now. Then they want to come now for attack them. But this time around, they don't take it 3 times, 2 times, number 3 times. When they will take it, when I tell Edri, say, they don't want fool me the key F1 about to go picking. When they kill F1, you know what Ayabacho eh? I want to take if F1 finish me. When they kill you know what Ayabacho. They kill Ivo being a Batibo. You know what Ayabacho? Pass me and you. You know go hot Ayabacho pass me and you. I want to tell my fellow colleague AJ fighters the way they claim say they be AJ fighters. I want to tell when I say Capo Daniel, Tapang Ivo, Fakim Vela and Lucas. I want to tell when I say the Kabare the fool una. The Kabare the fool una. When they kill you, Efan, I know you command know very well. When they kill you, it go hurt me past Ayabacho. It go hurt me. See, it's high time. My brother, Efam. Don't tell about you know, say, Bo, you're on the end. I know, say, it's not easy for you to tell about you don't end because I will want to the movie for game. I remember time the one put two. You know you know be accept them. When the one put two, you know be too die for that shemark. You know be too die for the shemark. But now they don't put it for that court. They don't put it for that court. Just call men of God. I tell FM, call men of God. Tell them say you apologize. You apologize for your community. You know what do I again? He end. I know. Say when you want to they will start find your life. But you will decide. Again, you will be very wise for decide. And then my friend don't fight at them. You bat the ball picking una think say una be ADF. I want to tell una say for take gun, say you want to kill your brother. Because say some man there for one my country. Any call you give you 10,000. Say me you chop. They will chop, you flop, you dream matter too. You take gun, you go kill your brother. Remember, say tell you kill your brother. That man they have a one man country, your family. The brother where you don't kill them, they are own brother. Una remember una love time, but I want to this speaking about Batibo. Una remember una love time tell where una used to drink una drink white stuff. Una dey make jokes. What you don't come over una? What you don't come over una? Where one man in the name of ADF. See, they go arrest una. They put on na ADF flag. It means say now print that flag. Now be the author of that flag. Now Yabacho. That means una bear allegiance to one man. So automatically you don't tell you that Yabacho be part instruction that key all those do all the associative for Batibo. I want beg my fighters them for Batibo the belongs to ADF. See, as I will beg that one the way they do with the Republic, with the beg ambassador fighter the way we both they fight with the Republic. Would you say beg una say it never be too late? Because we no one lost una. Una see where they go hide now inside bush. Then they follow una when they go hide inside bush. When now they follow una only brother your brother they follow you go hide inside bush. Who go ask say but man, what did it happen? What did it happen? Your fellow colleague, your brother, for inside one quarter, if they follow you go hide for inside bush. Because you dey pay allegiance to one person. Now the revolution that way una be take God as before. Now the revolution that. So my fellow ambassador, diaspora and Ground Zero, Momo in general, Mezam in general, Manu in general, we get to mobilize. I want beg una say any man when get ADF fighter in number. Any man will get ADF fighter in number, call you. You pick you, try to convince you. Try to tell you, me see into reason, say, killing brother, not be the revolution. If it's not so oath, if he tell you confess, because the one that he confess, we don't get the one that don't try to confess. If not oath, we go deliver them from that oath. Because it don't too much. We not really kill ourselves every day in the name of ADF. We can't say that name say ADF. Our brother will not come back. Please come back home. Please come back. When I don't watch that Isakaba film, say please come back. When the beg when I say, when I come back home, when I come back, when I forget about the differences, when I forget about Ayabacho, when I come back, ADF fighters for Batibo. And then the one when I come out different locality them. When I can't join that one for Batibo, when I go back home. When I go back home, or when I still fight with Batibo, when I fight with Batibo, because they say for war we know we master your terrain very well. So fellow ambassadors, now the small information that way I get about triumph for the people of Batibo. While we will continue the next agenda. Okay. Now we're going to go good. We don't see in a couple of weeks away our our Mary, the best activists, the best student for University of Boya, the best student with higher GPS will never exist for Boya, the best student over for the whole world. We don't see another attack again. Where he don't cannot attack a very strong fighter for Ambazonian. We don't see how this one guy, he don't go further for the abuse. Another one strong fighter. One strong fighter, Epum, in the Kochi. Epum will say he gets sense past all things for this world. Epum will he say EBE. Epum the coach, Abu Karim. Say Abu Karim the read the Bible upside down. Abu Karim the read the Bible upside down. Fellow Ambazonians, when I feel bear with me say, we want to fighters. We want call fighters for the revolution. We want call fighters for the revolution. Not be like the one that for Facebook. Not be like the one that for diaspora. Fighter. When you say fighter for the revolution, now fighter for Ground Zero. Any man where you do for diaspora, you coach fighters. You coach any fighter for Ground Zero. You mean say you do pass. Yes, I will abuse one. If you take your phone or you do Facebook, you coach any fighter for Ground Zero. You mean say you do pass shit for sheep goat. That means say you do pass sheep goat. See, what boy from Maryland. He don't come now. He talk. He get sense. I like it because he get sense past all man. He say Abu Karim. He read the Quran upside down. Masa tell una wait to wait this boy for Maryland. He start. Ma tell una when for three fighters don't exist for Ground Zero. Three where they sit there stand firm for the revolution. They never die. And they sit there testify for the revolution. See, first fighter for Ground Zero, like it or not, strong fighter, Patterson Wilfred. I will tell you now why. Second fighter for Ground Zero, it been a Barrister Johnson. Third fighter for Ground Zero, now Abu Karim. My talk yes, so people we call Weber. Yes, but Weber be get immunity where we protect you. Weber be there where you protect. You know if you arrest you for that level. Yes, consider if you talk anyhow, but you know if you arrest you. But you talk the way they don't get back up. We not get back up. No, I tell you now. Patterson now they declare independence for Southern Cameroon, and it talk where in the Ground Zero. They start finding for Kachi, Iran. When Munovakai story over because we already know the history plenty. When they be catch, one leader for Nigeria, the only advocate will be there for Ground Zero, and not only Ground Zero, in there for the Lion Den, in there for La Republic. The only first person where pronounce that name Ambazonia for inside media for Ground Zero. It been about Barrister Johnson. When I watch all this interview for Equinox, now Barrister Johnson start tell the people say Ambazonian. So we are a free people. Our Mogre were independent. And he talk Equinox, and he knock his chest. And now he make them. Some of we will learn terms, they are barrister terms, they are lawyer terms, they say Hebrews corpus. When they become our lawyers, our leaders, them. Now only he want to start first lawyer show face here. They must show that people them. Now he start with Equinox, say they must show that people them. So say, oh man, when I be with me, all Ambazonian, they be sat there, he say, me be careful, they will arrest this man, oh, this man, oh man, when you see them with Equinox, oh man, all Ambazonian, they like it because he hit them hard, I he talk say, we must get the independence. Now he be start Now even the first advocate will start for lawyer them. This time he won. That way the other lawyer they say okay, it don't stop small before they start joining the camp. Now one fighter that, one strong fighter that. The other fighter where he come, Abu Karim. Now another fighter that way they don't catch it, they go lucky. Because of it, he stand his ground for support Ambazonian till he die. He don't talk say, we must get the independence till he die. He won't resort to the catching the go lock him. Now this man for Maryland, he don't start. He coach Barrister Johnson because Barrister Johnson be talk say could be compromised. And we don't see evidence. We don't see evidence. He coach say be poor lawyer. He be this. He be this. Now man that way he don't make his family be the level where they. And Barrister Johnson not only dey na Brazil, he do America. Now few people they get privilege to travel go America. America embassy need give visa for any Jack and G. For that level. Why the other people never take visa and go America? Now man that because of his statute, they know he. So if no coach so they tire. He don't finish with he go coach Patterson. He say Patterson are the most poorest teacher. Patterson the interim government they bribe Patterson. Say Patterson, he don't know what he right. He right out of because na poor men don't give small money. Now man that way they bribe him for Cameroon 300 million. He deny. Now you can't take this. So fellow comrade, he don't come now. Now we can coach Abu Karim. Say Abu Karim because say Abu Karim. He say Abu Karim no fit coach the interim government. He say Abu Karim no coach the interim government. That means say Abu Karim they read the Quran upside down. What a shame. I don't know now he tell me educational background because I don't know me educational background but I think say he no reach Abu Karim because when I tell me he get the best GPA he get this but he no reach Abu Karim so me he stop when we not get talk with people over social media move stop this issue of abusing one another for the coach people no be revolution. When we differ of ideas, you're not supposed to coach my personality. So now one that way, I say I bring about Epum. Okay, the last issue now, we talk about our revolution, the youth. Fellow Ambazonians, now if you bear with me, say, the youth, them. Now who hold the revolution? The youth, we, me and you, now who hold the revolution? Some people they talk say Nelson Mandela he be ruled from jail. Yes. But now other people say Nelson Mandela has leaked a group during the time of apartheid. How many years? Now youth, if they not youth. See, I want to tell now the youth them where the fee say now all people will rule. I want to tell when I say, now me and you, they derail this struggle. Now the youth, they derail this struggle. Now we will pick weapon. Now we will pick renegade. Now we will pick machine for start fight. And now, we don't live on a group of all people that now don't come now. They want to delay we for them. Because when I know that you don't have people for sharp, you don't need the clown. Anything concerning youth, when I look at very well, they finish once and for all. Now, whatever I thought, say this man will Maryland, Epum. If Dr. Sako, the president, if people get picky where they me, or Epum will the coach person where they me all the time, so no, one thing I say, you don't put people for street. You don't tell say grand for years so will end the business for here. Yes. And you don't decide what you say for this player where it stands so. You go tell me, you find the address where the command for your house one go up. Before one time, you say, grandfather, that business for you gave end today. Yes. You know the way you react. He said, no, better say, don't kill me, then me the business end. Then we say, every day you come on social media, can cost me every day. I say, you don't get picking that one. Because you, they were had the hot, were had the palm. You don't say, we were had the palm, were had the palm. You don't tell you, say, no, for years, move, don't end the business. Yes. And you know say before one go meet up, you don't prepare. Yes. After you have a whippy stick where you just paralyze in one hand. Where paralyze in one hand, you send it for us. They will come on social media, no say no, so peripheral, you don't have my grand fair. They end the business with that side. But when I talk to them and say, we they use them of Ambazonian. The knife and the yam is for hand. The knife and the yam is for hand. I want to thank the only thing I have thank La Republic President Paul Biya and say, what will make we wise? The only thing they give we, where I know say we take out that people them for La Republic now wiseness. Yes, now wiseness. The only thing we will take out from La Republic, do Cameroon, now wiseness. Some they use we wise plenty, we dirty, we wiseness over plenty. And I want to tell you, I say in a court, catch you on social media, we quote. You talk now define revolution. These people they start fighting revolution. See, start ask them when they do on social media about all the conga they will quote them, come. Start ask them say, now which time we start this struggle? They will tell you years where your job for. They will tell you year where this start fight where me and you never they don't born we. But who said the enemy? Who said they don't pick weapon because the decisive youth devil today, we don't decide say what end this business, what end the show. Now that they work code the now they can't control we. That they work code the now they right pen them. That they work code the now one talk they say they be elder them. One talk they say they be this. Ma tell you now something. And Brazil no be country na all people can control because if you want to do that kind all people start then you better say we don't remember La Republic. We believe for the youth. We will believe for the youth. And only that thing they make us so we don't really see the way that you operate. Sometimes you can't be where if you get below above 60 years, you don't be contest presidency for Cameroon for Ambazonian. Above 60 years we deny because some people they want fight so the way code they say me they you they fight, they mean they can't take position. So if they above 60 years, no man will vote for president. You will deny candidature. Yes, because if they use them, see, I want to tell you use them. See, when I go on county by county, and enjoy plenty. When meeting day, now that way you enjoy. See, I want to tell you they say, county by county, you know most. Say you get that money, you will not get money because all hands are not equal. Your idea, if it sell plenty, people in the way they will get where they do sciences, they do physics, this. If you come for security department, you say one share idea. You say me they do so. And plenty of una colleague the way they want communicate with you now. When they do like Republic, they act like spy. You can't get information. When meeting is start, you say we first crack joke with you them, crack joke with you them. You might bring all idea they laugh, you crack joke, we laugh. They catch in the worst party. You they need clown of 5 francs. Go any man they will county by county structure where the whole meeting. He will testify with me. 5 francs. Can't see how the bomb question. This money 500. Who side we go? You be buy. He said no. You be go for this. You be tell who? The other said you be tell who. So you want to decide you want for the more money. So you see you go to apologize. Say all will now come conclusion. Say no. I want not ask him. I say man no. Me not be say. As you been a treasurer, you been a this, you don't get right for more money. Then I can't think that way one time. You see transparency. You need hit them very hard. Hit the chairman for your county by county. You need hit the question very hard. So that's how you operate. When I say see, I want to give you as an example. When I say okay, we'll get almost 7,000 or 8,000 ambassadors they be hostage for La Republic dungeons for prison. When I see the way they operate, and when I see the way leader they operate. One leader the way they cash them for Nigeria. When I see the way they operate for Kondenge. When I see the way they cash where the devil Yaoundé. When I see that they operate no. When I see the unity no. When number be come out, say you want to visit our youth for Kondenge. What did they do here? They be told number very well. They want to make the game. They want to make the game in every place. Yeah, the one to take them number say as I don't cancel no the business will end. The one to terminate, the one to kill you, the one to finish you. But thank God say they can't rescue you. Una see our leaders they konenge. They say who can visit the one na Muna. One na Muna. They talk say Muna can visit them. What do they do? Now they be the quiet. They want a pen and paper the right. Una just see the highway youth and elder they operate. Because with people they will have the pump. We make the business end for that level. We not they will say go back, go in front as Mutapam he end the show. So fellow comrade, now me and you will end this show. We're going to end this business. Now the youth they going to end this business. What about the leaders them? The leaders don't see. They go should not fight their powers. Where code fight power? Where code can't code the tie did this revolution? People fight revolution when I caught. They'll come to make this man one get group. You come out for CRTV where they call Jumba Crew. Then the key about your quacker for Batibo. You know we talk. You then have powers. So that you wear coat. You say you call your own group. I belong to this group. When they call you, BBC call you, interview you. Yeah, the leader of this group, Jumba Akuro. This is you carry skin. You carry skin. When now you they die. Now you they die. Now you call when you come on Facebook, they contribute money give you. You take a order, you put small in your pocket. You call small fighter. You give two machine. They make small video. They show you. You say yes. You get a group of them. We're going to end the business. That business they will stop. Yes, and even my fighter they will down. The business they will stop. The business for leaders for saying that some man get this revolution like all leaders they get will stop. Now the youth they get the revolution. And the only way now for you youth, see, when they were wanting to fish all these leaders them, no one see they will end the business. Well, end the business, eh? What end the business? We know how they end the business. What we end the business in the sense, eh? We just as I do a county by county. Plenty say I feel like you the now you because that way meeting you go you see you them. Ma tell you some testimony. We just recently hold some meeting. We with them. For that meeting, Ambassador Bobo be there. See, when I hear when Ambassador Bobo say, man body talk, he vibrate. You know, say the next moment, that say, in the talk, I say, if in that moment, I'll be very shocked. He shocked. That say, in the talk, he hit the common skin. In the talk, hit the common skin. He hit the common skin. So we will not see we with that generation where never again generation say we don't say enough be enough. And now we not level me for these people that are all lead at the hand. Now they hold a final show. We not join meeting them. We not try with the join meeting them. Share ideas, bring ideas, share ideas, bring ideas. We not go see and say now we will hold the revolution. We not go see and say now we will hold the revolution. That leader, okay, like we get the government. The government won't be just be the figure where the world will see them. But now they use them, they decide at any moment. We decide say you calm down. You don't get option. When they use them, we don't decide. Say you calm down. You don't get no option. Because now we will hold the revolution and now we will put it for that place. And now we get right, we move you for that place. So, fellow comrade, now wait that way I get for the youth. Because all my show plenty, I'm going to talk mostly on the youth. Now we will hold this revolution. That boy of down, now youth. No man no day way if you tell me lie. When I say look, even frontline leaders the way for liberation movement them. When I say follow liberation movement them, very from far days. When I say so old man, don't ever lead a revolution. They say you lead the revolution and where you get power. The power if you talk. I'm saying if you want worry, you come on, you run. You want worry yourself. You stay hold the machine. You say yes. You hold the machine. You say that you go start in front. No more people very soon. They start put diapers of that. They start tie diapers. They cast for media. Say now they our leaders. So fellow ambassadors, I thank you very much for coming. But I don't know if I will give a line for call. Mercy. I will give a line for call. Yeah, man, just see if I will give a line for call, so that if you get a point for talk, you will share, but it will just be 10 minutes. Take the numbers. Now Cameroon 678067367. 678067367. Now the number that if you call for share idea about the youth, what do you think? Say me the youth them they do me the right for take the revolution back. We will be march on 24th of September 2017, 22nd. Now youth them now youth they be march. Now youth they be mobilized. Nobody the old people them. So you want join the youth. Don't go to your county by county. You will see where you see failure of county by county. Then you come back to my show. You object me. If you see error, because I don't say the way you say, but when you hit question, the attack will come. When you hit question, go there prepare. Just go there for your county by county prepare. You hit the question, and you know say play the. When I not play the way we used to do this in now for county by now for finance. Now finance is the mostly hit question. Yeah. So the number again now 678067367. So if anybody if you call, we'll just give 10 minutes. Then we end the show because I think Nancho will come on soon. Yeah. So now the youth they hold the revolution. Now the youth them 678067367. Now Cameroon number you put plus 37 plus 37 678067367. If you call, you give a contribution. I think say what are the idea for the youth, na correct idea, or na the leaders them supposed to carry them the way yeah, or na the leaders them supposed to carry the revolution. So we'll get few minutes for go. We'll get 678067367. Yeah, because the youth they give mobilize. The youth them give hold the struggle now very. Now the youth they hold this. Don't forget about the leader them. They are bloody the palm ritual blood. If not you they don't hold this thing, so we don't end the show. Because some man the way you will attack it personally or wrote. Personally, as I make show, you know play where they in make show as I come out with show. You don't take a ball for him to end the show. Yeah, you don't handicap it there, you end the day. The business continue. But this leader them, they only work called diplomat, they say diplomat. Now the high time this way, we will identify ourselves. And now for join ourselves together. We join ourselves together now. We just go for a country by country, we will identify ourselves there. We will identify ourselves now, we start build from there the camp. We start build ourselves from country by country. We start the camp. We start build ourselves. We just identify ourselves. You go share ideas for country by country. We seize the power from them. We take the power. Yeah, now so you go for B. Because we don't discover say if the youth they not rise up, you go worry. Yeah, if the youth they not rise up. So fellow ambassadors, why would you run off for end the show? I want to thank all my way you don't watch the show. I say more keep up the share so that other people the way they be opportunity for watch the show. Me they can watch the show. Now wait till way I see the talk again. I say we the youth. If you talk any talk way he hot suppressing for this show, you don't know say na anger for youth. Yeah, but we talk na for bilam. We not talk. We need to talk na for destroy. We talk na for bilam because it vex you plenty. We see how you they die every day. And then some people they way they take all themselves. They say they be leader. They want crush all we. They say they want the country where they want bilam. They want be the country for the whole. So I want thank all when I don't watch the show today and wish all una blessing. And I still advise my brother, I say, any man way he get ADF fighter number, me call and advise them, say, me they surrender, they join their brothers for fight a common goal. Thank you very much for watching.